Hello everyone, this is Zach from Trade VSA. So today this short video here, probably we want to go through Bursa Malaysia technology and by looking into the sectors, okay, because it seems like we have second day, okay, of the pullbacks here going back to the previous supports, right? So again, just want to do a quick one over here, right? So this is the previous nearest resistance, right? They're able to break up and seems like they are heading to the current support level, right? Resistance to the support. So this is the area that we want to look for. Is there any good sound strength, okay, coming in from this chart or not, right? So again, because in trading view, you don't have the volume, okay, for the indices. So that's why the indicator doesn't work. So what you can do is that for members, go to the screener, okay, from here dashboard, click on screener, you go to Cassie sector indices, right? From here, click on technology, you should be able to see the green pentagon and the sound strength from the chart. So again, if you look into the updated list over here, green pentagon actually returns 22 days ago, okay, which is now I think they are doing a healthy pullbacks, right? So 22%, okay, almost 2%, 2.3% from the green pentagon since yesterday. So likely they will coming back to support, okay, which is happening right now. All right. So if we look into the related chart, probably we want to look into some of the chart over here. Let's look into the sectors. Okay, and want to study, right, the overall movement. Is this come with any major distribution, sell off, or is it good to look for entry? Okay, moving forward, right? So just go to energy. Sorry, just go to technology. Okay, so do remember that today is the second of pullback and we yet to see a over sound strength. Okay, remember we want to look for only sound strength for the entry. But so far, just now before I start this video, I just do a quick check. I think overall is still holding pretty well, but again, we want to look into the closing for today, right? So we start according to the LT. Let's look into something that maybe is in green. Okay, MMSB, LSOF, Inari. Okay, probably we check this tree and we see how it goes. Okay, how is the movement overall for today? So yesterday a big drop. Okay, what happens to the sector itself? And now seems to holding well right at the 2040s again. Right, look into the weekly. Okay, weekly so seems like having a pullbacks, but this is only Wednesday for today. Right, we want to wait for the closing for Fridays. Right, so red pentagons it crossed above. Okay, the LC is pretty good. Okay, probably was test somewhere around here. Okay, this is the area that we want to look for sign of strength. Okay, remember when the price goes up, pull back, you want to monitor for sign of strength. Okay, so same like here, we want the same things. Okay, if you want to look for the entry right now. So okay, we go for the next one, LSOF. Okay, LSOF. Let's look into is the support is coming well or not. Okay, overall. So let's look into daily chart first. Okay, it's still holding well at 2040, but also slightly a bit scary because it's come with several UT. Okay, so usually if let's say given a choice, I like to look for something is less UT, right? So here we got one UT, two and three, and this UT come pretty high volume, right? So well, let's see how it goes. Okay, so usually let's say got UT, what I do is that I will wait for the overtake UT to happen first, right? So for example here, few UT, it overtakes, make a pullback, and then it goes up. All right, so you can wait for the overtake UT if you feel not really comfortable, okay, to trade on UTs. Okay, now last one before we close, this is Inari. Okay, Inari also going back to 2040s already, so a bit similar like the overall sectors there. Okay, so it break on the resistance now seems like testing around the area. So again, this is a very important, very crucial. More side of strength, we want to see that test spring NS is good. Okay, and narrow spread by low volume is very good also in this area, right? Weekly chart. Okay, again today just Wednesday. Okay, we've got 2 more days to go. Okay, in fact today is still morning here, right? So these are things that we want to look into, right? Whether it will happen for a few weeks or not. Like if yes, then probably want to monitor for a chance, okay, for you to entry with low risk with kind of near risk support, right? So again, this is just a quick review, okay, based on volume spread analysis or based on the tools that we have in Trade BSA. So again, we are not doing buy call, just that this is how usually what I do, okay, to check my overall charts. Okay, is it come with healthy pullbacks or not? What's the things to look for? What's the things to be careful? okay, if you want to look for entry or exit. So with this, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe and like, and I will see you in the next video.